Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I want to share an exciting gift that we received from my family. So it's from my brother-in-law and sister-in-law. Thank you so much guys. And I'm going to be unboxing this Ninja Espresso coffee maker and show you what it comes with. So this thing is kind of heavy. I asked for help. So let's unbox it. Okay guys, so I have unboxed this baby. Just look at it, how beautiful it looks. Let me know what you guys think so far as the way it looks. I think it looks really cool. This right here, this is obviously your brew basket, pretty big and decent size, right, for the amount of coffee. And this is where your water is gonna go, right? I like that it is large quantity. It can take how many, even like for your traveling. I mean, it has a different sizes here for cups, half a cup, 3/4 or full, so that's good. And then this is one of my favorite parts. Too bad, I was looking at the box here, they do not give you any Nespresso capsules as sample to try, which they should, especially when you order it for the first time, so that we could put one of the capsules in here and try an espresso. But they don't give you any of that, so no big deal, we'll just order it from Amazon, but this is where it would go. All right, so this is an adjustable tray. It also comes out, so this is where all the, the cleaning, all the stuff is gonna go. And then this is, you can adjust the cup tray, like what size do you want, you can just adjust that, and you can, like I just showed you here, you could do that here. This obviously is what, the coffee pot, right? I like that it is pretty large size, so you can easily make like 4 cups. And then this right here is a detachable whisk for your frother, so you can attach it right here if you're doing that. And then this last thing here is the measuring cup for the coffee, the amount of coffee that you want to make. Like if you want to make 3 cups, 4, 7, whatever, you could just measure it right here, and then it goes right back here. So what do you guys think so far? Do you like this machine? I like the fact that it's pretty versatile. You can make different kinds of espressos, lattes, and I also like that you can make your coffee. But I love to get your thoughts, so please let me know in the comments below, and please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, just post them below as well. In the video description, I will put a link to this as well as the link to the Nespresso capsules, so you can get them from Amazon. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you.